Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2024, our system has ranked Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.93. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing a gain of 0.3%. This results in an average return of 0.15% per day since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and descending trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are anticipated. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 5% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 11% to an increase of roughly 4%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points towards a change of approximately 34% over the next year, with potential returns varying between 29% and 56%. This suggests a price range of approximately $538 to $649 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Microsoft. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, Microsoft's stock price increased by nearly 0.3%, rising from $415.55 to $416.79. During that same day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.74%, with a low of $412.09 and a high of $419.26. Notably, the stock has seen gains in 7 of the last 10 days, and is up by 2.65% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 455,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 18 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $7,360 million. It is important to note that falling volume paired with rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $468.35, while the lowest was $309.45. Currently, the price is 11.01% or $51.56, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft is taking proactive steps to enhance cybersecurity in response to a recent outage linked to a faulty update from CrowdStrike. The company will host the Windows Endpoint Security Ecosystem Summit on the 10th of September at its Redmond campus, engaging with key stakeholders, including government representatives and security providers. This initiative not only showcases Microsoft's commitment to resilience in digital infrastructure, but also positions the company as a leader in addressing critical cybersecurity concerns, which can significantly bolster investor confidence and attract new business partnerships. In other news, Microsoft remains a central player in the tech sector, often recognized alongside industry giants like Lockheed Martin and McDonald's. The company has solidified its standing as a top contender in the artificial intelligence race, especially with its partnerships with OpenAI, which could create further competitive advantages over firms like Apple that are also investing in AI. Moreover, significant investments from prominent firms like Tiger Global and Microsoft underline investor optimism regarding the company's growth prospects, particularly in AI infrastructure development. As Microsoft continues to innovate and adapt in a rapidly evolving tech landscape, these factors could positively influence its stock price, both in the short term through increased stability and reputation, and in the long term by reinforcing its market leadership and growth potential. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned Microsoft a grade of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Goldman Sachs assigned Microsoft a grade of buy along with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, Oppenheimer also rated Microsoft with an outperform grade and a hold recommendation. Additionally, KeyBank on that day gave Microsoft an overweight rating with a hold action. Barclays similarly assigned Microsoft an overweight grade with a recommendation to hold on the same date. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume declined during the last trading day despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to watch the stock closely. However, there are also negative signals that may impact its near-term development. The Microsoft stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more pessimistic outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $420.33 and $427.45. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 20th, 2024, and thus far it has experienced a decline of 1.89%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 25 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft sees support from accumulated volume at $415.13. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. The stock typically trades at a robust volume, and due to minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $7.17, which is 1.74% between its high and low. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.61%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard, commonly found in established companies with consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $3.09. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $418.35. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to think about swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $415.13. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a possible rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2024, Jala Alice L. executed an insider sale of 177,469 shares of common stock. On the 7th of June, 2024, Walmsley Emma N. conducted an insider purchase of 234 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Rodriguez Carlos A. executed an insider purchase of 5,369 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Pritzker Penny S. conducted an insider purchase of 20,894 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Peterson Sandra E. executed an insider purchase of 40,358 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we found the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 81.207. Overall, insiders purchased 14,177 shares and sold 204,299 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft exhibits several concerning indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will experience weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading session, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 26th of August, we predict Microsoft will open lower by approximately 74 cents, starting the session at $416.05. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.